Celebrate St Mark's, the Potteries Cathedral without the scaffolding, and a working clock. I last visited 2 years ago and want to see what has happened in the restoration. Opened in 1834, the need to build a congregation would have been a challenge. Most local potters were already loyal to the Methodists and other chapels they had built for themselves.
Yeah.
So I'm in here with Lynne Ball, Churchwarden, Supreme, and she's going to give us a tour of St Mark's in Shelton. Lynne, please lead on.
Okay. Yeah. All the pews are the original pews.
Yeah.
From when it was originally built in 1834.
Okay.
And they used to go right back to the main doors. The pews that were taken out to provide some community space.
Right.
We've got 2 meeting rooms and a kitchen. There would have been pews originally, but they've been taken out. That was 2009, and that was all finished.
Okay.
Community space. Oh. The main focus was getting this building watertight.
Right.
That was the focus, watertight now. So these are the last bits we've got to do. And then you've got the pulpit. Did you take that last time? Pulpit?
No, let's get it all on camera.
Which was from a Twyford family.
Okay, so he was
They donated that.
Okay, he's a
Commissioned that.
big bathroom man, wasn't he?
Yeah.
The Twyfords.
Yeah. So he did that. Had that done.
It looks like it's had a fresh coat of paint as well. So.
Yeah.
The Twyfords were a big potting family manufacturing sanitary ware, with 2 sites at the Bath Street Works in Hanley and then Cliff Vale Potteries.
We're looking.
Yeah, it's not like you've got bottomless pockets. No one's got bottomless pockets.
Questions about
The screen between the nave and the chancel is known as the Rood screen. Okay, interesting.
we haven't been able to find anything when we've researched.
The camera lights these things up well. They look really amazing on camera. The church are very keen to find out more about the 6 painted panels either side of the central doorway. Do leave a comment if you have information.
Windows either. I don't think there's a lot of information out about stained glass windows out there.
No.
And we'll be able to find anything at all about stained glass windows. Because they're an important part, aren't they, of the building?
Yeah.
A lot of
the colour comes out really nicely with additional lighting from the camera.
That's brilliant.
Right,
So there's another chairs they can get to.
No, I think I can do it. Yeah, I can do it. Okay.
So to find out a little bit.
You can just see how the light
Yeah, I can
helps
see,
picks it up.
Originally just went back to here.
Okay. Oh, there was an
And this
additional
was built on
chancel,
afterwards.
the octagonal chancel.
Yeah,
I
it was
think it's
built on
called.
afterwards.
Okay. Do you know why that was, or was a demand, or someone had some money, or?
It's about money. It's about money to do some more, because it isn't very decorative here, is it?
No,
Whereas
this part
up
is,
here
but
it's very decorative.
yeah, but I mean, this is just amazingly
And the
impressive.
ceiling as well, isn't there? There's a lot of.
Yeah.
As it shows by the different ceilings, you've got very different ceiling from that church, that part, this part.
And some Minton tiles.
Yeah, it needs more work.
It needs more work. Okay.
Restoration, and then you've got some.
Okay, so Shirley from the bone mill, is that the
That's
same
what
Shirley?
I think it was, yes, because Bernard was really happy when he saw that.
Yeah.
He was really happy.
The Shirleys were another potting family responsible for the bone and flint mill, now forming part of the Etruria Industrial Museum. That's good to have.
Yeah, and there's another one a bit further up as well.
Okay. Londale Bishop at Linfield. I'm not sure. I don't think he was a potter, but he was a bishop. But obviously an important person. Probably this is part of his bishopric.
You can tell by how different the tiles are, aren't they? They seem to be quite plain and they're really ornate.
Yeah.
Just wanted the money.
Yeah.
They said that these Reredos weren't important, and that they just said there was no heritage within this building. So we had to prove that there was.
Yeah, nonsense that is.
But you've only got to look at these, haven't you?
Did
Just look at the craftsmanship. Yeah.
Oh yes, and he used to write underneath what their message was. Obviously, these are looks like the three.
That's the three
wise men.
Wise men. They came
with haste. Did he sort of sign it anywhere or leave his name anywhere, or was that part of the problem? You had to prove that they were made by this guy George Tinworth.
It's well documented.
Yeah.
They were made by him. There's lots of information about it, so it's well documented. But look at the details on the trees, and it's fantastic. Really fantastic.
Yeah, bearing in mind it's made of clay, and
yeah.
it's just and
how long they must. The details in the face as well.
Yeah, and
Even down to the Jewish star.
Yeah.
The wise men opening their treasures. Okay, and then there's the biblical verse, a biblical reference, Matthew, I think. Chapter 11, verse. Not sure. That looks like a T and a G, as in George Tinworth.
Yeah.
Which I never noticed before.
You can get a lot closer with the camera.
George Tinworth from South London was one of the most respected sculptors and modellers of the 19th century, working for Sir Henry Dalton in Lambeth. And you just can't do that. He won numerous international awards for his work in terracotta and stoneware at Paris, Vienna and in America.
GT. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Dalton also acquired the factory 3 miles away in Burslem at this time. GT, George Tinworth, 1896.
Wonder why isn't one on here?
Might be behind the panel.
Yeah, it's true, but...
Is a man at work at the bottom?
Yeah, it is.
Very talented. It's taken years to do some of these.
Yeah, that's it. You don't need any.
You needed it.
Now my question about it is, if they had 2 stained glass windows there, why didn't they do the rest stained glass? What's more questions?
Well, let's see if we zoom in.
I mean, this just shows why we need to preserve the heritage now, because if we don't know the answers now.
If that one has one, it's
Said no to it.
yeah.
Yeah, I can't see one there.
That's that one. At the moment, we haven't got a service, but we're starting one on the 28th of September.
Okay.
We're going to start, and you've got a new congregation.
Yeah.
About 10 people who've asked for a new service for them to come along to. So that's going to start at 10 o'clock on the 28th of September.
Okay, well that's a call out to
It is.
anyone that's watching this
Yeah.
Before the 28th of September that there is going to be some action in
And it'll
St
be
Mark's.
every week. It'll be every week at 10 o'clock.
Okay.
The first service
Is that a Saturday or Sunday? Yeah.
First service will be an ordinary service, but the first Sunday of every month is going to be a Eucharist.
Okay.
I've been Churchwarden about over 6 years. I was supposed to do it for 3, but nobody else wants to do it. So I've been coming to the St Mark's about 12 years.
Yeah.
12 years.
You must
Yeah.
live locally, yeah.
I live 2 streets away.
For hire, folks, if other people want to meet in a ecclesiastical setting.
Tea and coffee's usually included.
Yeah. Yeah, give us a...
Tea and coffee's included as
okay,
well.
Okay, that's all good.
Yeah, just have to contact me.
Yeah.
If anybody's interested.
Okay,
This
so
is where
this...
the Eritrean and the Ghanaian communities, this is where they have their services, because they've got between 30 and 40 people and it's just big enough for them. So they've got the drums over there,
Okay.
keyboard.
Yeah.
So, very lively congregation.
So there is a cross there, so they're Christians, I
Yeah.
think. Yeah.
Yeah, they're Christian. Yeah.
Well, and yeah, brings life back to the whole building, doesn't it?
It does, definitely. Seeing lots of children running around in the Norfolk area there.
Yeah. So,
As they do. What we call the pen area, which is where the children will come and play.
okay. This is very much a family-friendly church.
So that the parents can be safe.
Yes.
Yeah.
This has been a Heritage Open Day production.
Philip Hardacres.
Thanks to Lynn and the team for showing me around St Mark's. I think it's National Lottery money well spent. Do support St Mark's in the future. If you enjoyed this clip, please click the like button and do subscribe for more videos on the heritage in the Potteries. Thanks for watching.